Hey, maybe you are trying to install your Ubuntu server on your server, and then you can see I have a pen drive here. I need to make it bootable first to install that one. So I'm just plugging it in, and you got the sound. As you can see, my pen drive is plugged in. Now I need to go to the browser, just any browser you would love to use. So you can do the same as in Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or any other browsers, and try to search for Ubuntu server. As you can see, this is actually the address, ubuntu.com/download/server. Just simply click on it, and then you will have the best option you are finding for Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. As you can see, this is built for Intel or AMD 64-bit architecture. Just simply click on download. I am not going to download this one because before just 2 days I downloaded this one, and then you can see Ubuntu server live server is here. Okay, so what do I need to do? Just simply go to the rufus.com, rufus.ie/en, and then you will find out Rufus 4.15 exe or some other versions. So just try to install this one, and then simply after downloading, you can see I downloaded this one after before 4 minutes, and then I'm clicking on it. After clicking there, I need to click on yes, and then after clicking yes, you will see the pen drive is already selected, and I need to select the boot selection, like the thing what I want to install. I need to select my ISO file. So after clicking on select, I will be redirected to my address and try to find out and select the Ubuntu server ISO file. As you can see, I got that one with the volume name. Keep almost everything same as it is, but you can change the name server. Okay, so after just selecting or after providing a name, just simply click on start, and then it will say yes, there is an ISO mode, so your pen drive will be erased, and simply click on OK. After clicking OK, as you can see, warning is there, and then click on OK. Before clicking there, just try to uh, give or try to get a backup of your data, otherwise you lost it. So let's wait for other moments, like it will take maybe 5 to 10 more minutes based on your speed or your pen drive speed. Okay, let's wait and see. As you can see, the job is done so far, and you don't need to anything. Just simply close this one, and you will see the pen drive you have. Just go to this PC, and you'll see Ubuntu server is installed. All the required files are there. Just simply eject your pen drive, eject it, and then after ejecting, you'll have it on your hand, and try to put it in on your server or on your PC where you want to install this one. Thank you so very much for watching this video. I hope you got the solution, and if you do so, please share this video and comment below yes, you got the solution, and subscribe this channel.